Hey everyone, today we are solving another LeetCode question, question number 2525, 2525. Categorize box according to criteria. A condition-based simulation problem from LeetCode. So first we will read a question as usual. Then we will go to our problem understanding and discuss the brute force idea and the optimize approach. Then we will do the dry run and then the code execution. So let's go to our code problem statement, reading a problem statement. Given four integers length, width, height, and mass, representing the dimension of mass of a box, respectively return a string representing the category of the box. We have to return the category. So, what are the conditions? The box is bulky. If this is a condition, any of the dimension of the box is greater than or equal to the 10 raised to the power 4, or the volume of the box is greater or equal to 10 raised to the power 9. If box is bulky, if the dimension is greater than or equal to 10 raised to the power 4 or greater than equal to 10, volume is greater than equals to 10 raised to the power 9. If the mass of the box is greater or equal to 100, greater than or equal to 100, it is heavy. If the box is both bulky and heavy, then its category is both. If the box is neither bulky nor heavy, then its category is neither. If the box is bulky but not heavy, then its category is bulky. If the box is heavy and bulky, then its category is heavy. Note that the volume of the box is the product of its length. Volume of the box is the product of its length, width, and height. So volume formula, volume, length, width, height. Simple, simple. So here we can see mass is depend upon heavy category is depend only upon mass. Okay. So let's take an example one. Length is 1000, width is 35, height is 700, mass is 300. Its category is heavy because none of the dimension of the box is greater than or equal to 10 raised to the power 4. Its volume is 245, a big number. We know that it is less than 10 raised to the power 9. So it cannot be categorized as bulky. However, mass is greater than 100, so the box is heavy. Since the box is not bulky but heavy, we return heavy. So what's our understanding? We are given length, width, height, mass. We need to classify the box. Rules. Box is bulky if any dimension is greater than equals to 10 raised to the power 4 or volume is greater than 10 raised to the power 9. Box is heavy if its mass is greater than 100. And final category is both. Okay. If both are there, both. If bulky and not heavy, it's bulky. It's not bulky and it's heavy, it's heavy. If both are not, then neither. So what are brute force idea for this? This is mainly a direct implementation problem. No advanced algorithm is needed for this. We simply evaluate condition, store result, return category accordingly. No brute force idea for this. So optimized logical approach. We create two boolean variables, bulky and heavy. Why? Because classification depend on this two state. Then both true, both. Only bulky, bulky. Only heavy, heavy. Neither, neither. Break big condition into a small readable flag. So let's quickly dry run this first. Okay, let's say length is given as 1000. Okay, width is given as 35. Let's say height is given as 700 and mass is given as 300. Okay, now what's the volume? What's the volume? We already know product of length with height. 1000 into 35 into 700. So the answer is 245 1 here. Okay. Okay. So not bulky. It's not bulky because volume is less than equals to 10 raised to the power 9. Not bulky. But its mass is greater than equals to 100. So heavy. Sorry. True. So what will we have? Sorry. So what will be our final answer? It's heavy. I hope you understand this simple question. Let's comment this out quickly. Cut this out. Sorry, and paste it above our question. Now let's execute our code. So it's already given string categorize box in length, width, height, and mass. So we'll first calculate volume using long. Why? To avoid overflow of the number. Long volume. Yeah. Okay, now I will check bulky condition. So for the bulky condition, we'll make again a boolean length or with. Okay, height this volume. Then raised to the power 9 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Okay. So- okay, now heavy condition depend on mass. So it's simple. Heavy equals to mass is greater than equals to 100. Okay, now finally I will return category using condition combination. So if bulky and heavy, return both. If bulky, return. If heavy, return heavy. Return neither. If not, if nothing above this, return right neither. Let's check our test cases. 23. Spelling is wrong. Spelling mistake. Bulky, not bulky. Small h. Okay. Return is heavy. Return h is capital. Okay. As you can see, test case passes. Case 1, case 2. we used one loop only, and two, so our time complexity is 0 and not n is 0. So len 1000 with a 700 mark greater than as expected, and in case 2, len 200 with 550, height 850, neither. So let's quickly submit this out. So this was a great beginner friendly condition handling problem. I hope you understand this. If you understand this, like, share, subscribe, comment, follow for more daily DSA problem like this. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and see ya.